everyone, it's Robin, the Artsy Bohemian, coming to you from my studio in Los Angeles, California. It's a very weird weather where I am. It's very warm, and there's the Santa Anas, which are notorious winds that happen in Southern California. So it's in the middle of almost winter, and it's 80 degrees. So I'm lucky because I'm in my studio, and my studio gets nice and cool at night. So anyway, we are making a paper project. Yay! I know you guys love paper, so I thought I'd do a really quick, easy, fun stocking stuffer. Something that is really, you can just crank them out and give them as little gifts if you want. So what you're going to need is, put these to the side, is some pictures of vintage postcards, or you can use real postcards if you want to. And all I did was I cut them with my Dec.1 paper cutter, or you can use any kind of, decorative edge scissors, and then I just lightly distressed them or antiqued them with some brown ink. So I have two of them here, and you're going to need some double-sided cardstock like I have here. You're also going to need your bone folder and your scoreboard. If you don't have a score tool, a scoreboard, you can use your ruler and a bone folder, which we're going to be doing here. So this piece of cardstock is 8.5 by 6. I think, let me just double check. Yeah, 8.5 by 6. And I based it upon this little notebook, because we're going to be adding this notebook inside. So I gave, and also the fact that I'm using this to decorate the front. So I kind of figured out, the easiest size that would fit the postcard and the little notebook. So then you're going to take your bone folder, and at the 4-inch mark, you're going to make a score line. Then turn it around the other way and do it at 4 inches again. This is the easiest way to do it without measuring a ton of stuff. So you're going to have a little spine here, like that. And then you're just going to glue everything down. And you can decorate it any way you want. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I'm going to decorate mine. By the way, thanks for everybody for buying some of the stuff that I've been listing on Etsy. Unfortunately, because everybody in the whole world is buying things online, the postal system is completely slammed. So just be patient. Things are taking way longer than they normally do to get. All right, so on this one, I thought I did different ones. You can, it's the same, cardstock, but different sides. So I think what I was going to do, was I going to use this one? I think I was going to use this one on that, and then this one on this one. So just go ahead and glue them down. And then we're just going to decorate them and glue our little notepads. And I added a cute little rubber stamp. This stamp is from Rubber Moon. They've been around forever. They're also, along with Red Lead Paperworks, they are one of my favorite. Red Lead Paperworks and Rubber Moon Stamp Company are my favorite rubber stamps. So I'll put the link down below. So I'm just going to glue these, and I'll be right back. Okay, glued them down. I love these colors. They're my favorite colors for Christmas. The kind of that pale, kind of muted blue-green color with red. It's my favorite color combo. I'm going to take and just use my corner punch for both of them. These could also be used as little covers for journals, little journal covers. You can just add your pages inside. If you don't have access to these little mini notepads, you can make your own by following the tutorial that I showed you about 3 or 4 weeks ago when I made a journal, this journal right here, and we used glue for all the pages. I'll show you to you in a sec here. So this journal that I made, we glued all the pages with some cheesecloth, and that would be really easy and takes a little bit of time because the glue takes time to dry. But you could make your own notepad with that same glue technique, gluing all the pages to the spine. Okay, so then I'm going to take, just making sure these are glued down. And I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the notepads down. And then I'm going to add glitter and some cute 3D type of things to make sure that this stays in place. This is actually a little bit bigger than this one, the spine. So if you wanted to make your spine a little bit smaller, depending on how big your notepad is, you could. In fact, I might use this for something else. I think I'm just going to work on, and I'll decorate that too, but I think I'm just going to do this one here. And I'm going to take a pencil just to make sure I place it down correctly. Here's my pencil right here. Because the backing is just cardstock, so I'm going to have to stand up to make sure that this goes on properly. Super cute. So to decorate, you can use whatever you want. I'm going to be probably using a combination of some stickles, one of these Jelly Roll pens that is a glitter pen. Love this pen. Awesome. You can use, this clear glue glitter that we used for the Santa. And then I'm going to accent with a little bow on her right here that I've already made. And then for his clothing, I'm going to use these tiny, tiny little pom-poms. And I'm going to glitter them all up. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. And this red is kind of a really bright red. So once I put glitter on it, it'll kind of tone it down. It just gives them a little extra, 3-dimension, doing little things like this. I had some other projects that are kind of long, and I just since I started listing everything in the store, those of you who have online stores know that's a all-day thing if you're going to be taking pictures and uploading them and making descriptions for each one. And then since I'm doing these videos, I'm trying to keep the projects a little bit shorter and still fun. So I'm putting these elements on first because I want to glitter them as well. So I'm going to kind of make this one a little askew. Or maybe I will do it like that. So cute already. If you don't like glitter, you don't have to put glitter on it. Also glass glitter. In the old If you find really old postcards, sometimes they have the real glass glitter and it looks really dark because it will patina over time. So you could do that. I think I want to just I'm going to take the crystal, the glossy accents, and I'm going to run it over. I might just wind up putting glitter on everything because I love glitter, but I usually just do a little bit at a time and see how I like it. Tacky glue will work, any kind of white glue will work. Squish it in there. Alright, so I glittered up, how cute is that? The little pom-poms and the halo around his head. And then I took this pen and I just colored in his shoe. It's a really fine kind of metallic look. And I'm going to do the same on her. I've noticed it started warping, so I'm going to just hold it down or put it under something just so it stays flat. And maybe on this one, I think I'll do the stickles. This just takes time to dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think it's a really fun, quick, we like quick, right, project. And who wouldn't enjoy this? You could even send these as a Christmas card. It'd be bulkier, obviously. But wouldn't that be fun to get in the mail? A Christmas card that has some purpose. So that is it. I'm going to keep glittering this all up, and I will see you tomorrow. Here's a close-up. Thanks for watching.